Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Man, I was hoping I wouldn't have to come out in this shit again. But they tell me it's a little bit warmer out today. I can't tell. It still feels like negative 20 to me. But I got an emergency run. I have to go get a frying pan. Let's see, what is it? Well, I'm not going to get a sub-zero for this. It's 2 degrees. Actually, I think it's 1 degree, but we'll call it 2. 2 degrees. I just, you know, I don't like to be greedy with my degrees. But anyway, I have this emergency, so I can't talk. I gotta go. Alright, the mileage is 40145.7. 40145.7. Uh-oh. Oh man, are you kidding me? Battery got too cold. Well, if I want to go on this ride, I'm going to have to do something about that. There you go. There you go. We'll give you time to warm up. No emergency is such a big emergency that you can't let your bike warm up. Your bike is the connection to the outside world. Without your bike, you can't get to the outside world. You must take excellent care of your motorcycle. And even when you're in a big hurry, when it's cold out, let her warm up. No matter how badly you want to get moving. I know sitting still here is not exactly a good time. It's a necessary misery. My nose is itching. Oh, I hate that. It's alright. Just cruising. Just cruising. That's what it's all about. At least to me it is. It's racing between stop signs, stop lights. That ain't fun. That's just tearing the bike up. That's all that's doing. Making an ass out of yourself. You know, nobody's standing there by the road going, God, he's cool. Unless they're, you know, less than 11 years old. You know. Anyone 12 or older, look at you. Doing stunts. Jumping from stop sign to stop sign as fast as you can. They look at you and shake their head and go, what a fucking idiot. It's not impressing anyone, and they're not jealous of you. They really know you're an idiot. What do I know? I'm just an old school biker coot. All washed up, huh? Yeah, what do I know? Old long-haired, long-bearded, hippie-looking biker. My opinion means blah. But you know what? I am a real cool dancer. And I don't need to look over my shoulder to see where I'm at. That's right. Right here on the corner, right here, is the old Foxy Roxy Theater. When my mom, when she was a little girl, she used to go there to the Foxy Roxy. Yep. It's been there for years and years and years and years and years and years. Let's go harass the cops. Watch the sheriff, or he could hit me in the head with a billy bat. You gotta watch around here, these sheriffs. They're fucking crazy. Oh, I hope he don't see me. I thought it was just a town cop. Oh shit. What am I gonna do? Shit, I better use this way. I think he's got his eye on me. Oh my God, no. I'm gonna go slow, maybe. Maybe he'll think I already went through. Alright, wake up, tried. Oh, good, he's not there. Good. Well, folks, I'm almost to the store where they sell frying pans. Ain't no special store. I'm not gonna buy no high dollar frying pan. Hell, you live in a family that tends to just lose frying pans. It's not too smart to go out and buy a $100 frying pan, is it? Something that'll come up missing is things like silverware and pots and pans. Sometimes you'll find them, but you don't want to eat off of them again. Oh, out in the yard, you don't know what they've been doing with them, but that's usually where they're at. Out in the yard. I tend to not say too much about it. I figure the best thing to do is let them be boys and have fun and play, and buy cheap stuff that you can afford to replace. You know, if we want state of the art, the best pots and pans in the world, we're just gonna have to wait for a few years. But I don't know. That's not really important to me. Ending temperature. Ending mileage is 40164.8. That would be a 40164.8. Read 'em and weep. Yeah. Reads Bud.